Hey there! Welcome to English in 5 Minutes with AI. Today, we're diving into 10 essential English expressions that will make you sound like a native speaker. No more boring lessons, let's make this fun, fast, and effective. Grab your headphones and let's get started. You're about to level up your English. 1. You can't have your cake and eat it too. This idiom means you can't enjoy two opposite benefits at the same time. Life often requires choosing one or the other. For example, I bought so many clothes that I can't afford a vacation. I suppose you can't have your cake and eat it too. Sometimes, wanting everything leads to getting nothing. Prioritize what really matters. 2. Takes the cake. When something takes the cake, it stands out as the most extreme, ridiculous, or surprising of its kind, usually in a bad way. For example, I know Aiden's always late, but arriving late for his own wedding takes the cake. Let's just say, when you show up late to your own wedding, punctuality may not be your strong suit. 3. Warm and toasty. When you feel warm and toasty, you're enjoying a cozy, comforting kind of warmth, often physical and peaceful. For example, I felt warm and toasty sitting in front of the fire. It's a simple pleasure, but those warm moments can be the best part of your day. 4. A butterfingers. A butterfingers is someone who tends to drop things easily, basically, a bit clumsy with their hands. For example, Asher is such a butterfingers. He is always dropping things. We've all had our butterfingers moments, just try not to be holding your phone when it happens. 5. Eat humble pie. To eat humble pie means you admit you were wrong and deal with the embarrassment after being overly confident. For example, the head of sales said he would double our profits, so he had to eat humble pie when he told us they had fallen. Admitting mistakes isn't always fun, but it's the first step to real growth. 6. Sour grapes. Sour grapes describes a situation where someone pretends something they can't have isn't worth having anyway. For example, Fiona told me she doesn't like my new scooter. I think it's just sour grapes. It's okay to feel disappointed, just don't pretend it didn't matter. 7. Bite off more than you can chew. This phrase is used when someone takes on too much responsibility and ends up overwhelmed. For example, I'm really stressed. I think I bit off more than I could chew when I took this promotion. It's good to challenge yourself, but it's also okay to ask for help when you're in over your head. 8. Butter up. To butter someone up means to flatter them in order to get something you want, like a favor or help. For example, I wanted Jo to water my plants when I was on vacation, so I buttered her up by saying her backyard looked nice. Just make sure your compliments aren't all strategy, genuine kindness goes further. 9. Selling like hotcakes. If something is selling like hotcakes, it means it's being bought very quickly because it's so popular. For example, copies of Sadie's new novel are selling like hotcakes after it got great reviews. When you create something great and the timing is right, success can come fast, just be ready for it. 10. Walk on eggshells. To walk on eggshells is to act with extreme care around someone who's easily offended or upset. For example, you have to walk on eggshells around Dylan. He gets upset so easily. Being considerate is good, but constant tension isn't healthy, for you or them. And that's it for this episode. Food idioms might sound tasty, but they tell us a lot about balance, mistakes, success, and how we deal with people. Have you ever buttered someone up or had to eat humble pie? Let me know.
Thank you so much for watching English in 5 Minutes with AI. We hope you enjoyed today's lesson and learned something new. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to get more daily lessons delivered straight to your inbox. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. And remember, improve your English in 5 minutes a day. Stay tuned, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next one.